Welcome dear students. The next video lesson is related to e-banking. Through this topic, we are going to wind up the term banks. E-banking, you know very well, the expansion is electronic banking. Electronic banking is the common term that very familiar for you in the modern business field. So, in this topic, we are going to learn more about how the concept of e-banking is very useful for the business people. So, electronic banking, you know very well, it operates with the support of computers and mobile networks. After the invention of internet, e-banking concept is emerged. So, with the support of computers and internet, nowadays, the business peoples are using the banking facilities very efficiently. Online banking is the famous concept that is used for speedy transfer of funds and deals related to business activities. And e-banking, electronic banking provides following supports for the business people. It gets the speedy transfer of funds, electronic fund transfer system. From one branch to another branch, we can transfer the fund with the support of electronic platforms very easily. Maybe with the support of computer or with the support of mobile. We can transfer it very easily. A lot of online apps are also available like Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay. Lot of applications are available for the easy transfer of bank funds. Then automated teller machine, ATMs, anytime, 24 hours services are provided by the ATMs. Every time, whenever there is a need, at the midnight also, we can collect fund by drawing from ATM machine. Then debit card and credit card, that is the plastic form of money in the modern world. That is also another function provided by the banks. Debit card and credit card. Telebanking, whenever there is any important information service, we can contact the bank through telephone or conference. Then, for banking solutions, centralized banking solutions, majority of the banks are working with the server in a centralized position. Everywhere, at any place, we can approach the bank very easily with a single account. A real-time gross settlement. Another opportunity for e-banking, it gives easy settlement of financial transaction very quickly. So these are the important benefits of e-banking or electronic banking. We have to learn more about what are the different benefits of e-banking. So Reserve Bank is controlling in the entire business and banking sector in our country. They are providing lot of benefit for the business people. It provides 24 hours or 24 into 7 or 365 days services. In a year, every day we are getting opportunity to transfer fund through the e-banking system. Then customers can enter into bank transactions at any time, at any place, maybe at their office or at the home or at the time of traveling also. They can use the online banking system. Now it is known as mobile banking also. So remember, it is very efficient and effective transaction or way of approach for the business people who are very busy. Then it creates a sense of financial discipline. A sense of financial discipline in the sense, whenever we need the fund, at that time only we can withdraw. So, through the support, e-banking support, a financial discipline is developed in the mind of a businessman. Why? Because it provides opportunity, no need of hurry. At any time, they can use the money through the e-banking system. Then unlimited access to the bank, less risk and greater security for the financial transaction. No need of worry about keeping money in the bank and dealing through the online platforms. It is less risky. When we are, suppose when we are withdrawing some amount of money and coming back to the home, lot of opportunities are there for the this. they will collect the money, and a lot of opportunity for them also there. So we will be in a risk. To avoid all these situations, e-banking is very much helping, and it reduces the workload of different branches, bank branches. After the emergence of the computer, it is very easy to record all the transactions and easy dealing of customers. Within seconds, the loans are passed. Within seconds, we can transfer the fund. Within seconds, we can record our passbook also. So, SOIM is one of the platform developed by the banks, most probably by the nationalized bank for recording day-to-day transactions in the passbook by ourselves. So, a lot of opportunities are provided by the banking sector for the business people. So, remember all these benefits, and the concept regarding e-banking. It's very important for the exams also. Okay, thank you for watching the video. In the next digital lesson, we will learn about the concept insurance.